Hello, my name is Kevin and this is Wayne, and today we're going to show you how to do a quick, value-building, powerful presentation on the Sirena Total Home Cleaning System. Let's get started. Alright, the Sirena is a total home cleaning system. It's multifunctional, it's very powerful, and it's extremely healthy as well. Whether you're looking to freshen the air in your home or you're looking to vacuum your carpets, Sirena is definitely your solution. The inspiration behind Sirena comes from Mother Nature. Outdoors, rain is used to take care of our environment. Indoors, that wouldn't work. Now, the air indoors is more hazardous to your health than the air pollution is outside. That's why Sirena is the ideal choice when it comes to vacuums that, one, really clean, and two, that are really healthy for our indoor environment. See, Sirena uses water to trap the dirt. There are no bags or filters to change. Alright, well, the Sirena has two parts. The top houses the high-powered Italian motor, has a 10-year warranty on it, and the bottom holds the water. When you're ready to use Sirena, all you have to do is fill water to the minimum fill line on the basin, turn the machine on, and start cleaning. When you're done, all you have to do is dump this water, and the dirt and dust is out of your home forever, once and for all. Sirena is the healthiest way to clean your home, and you would totally be amazed when you use it. Sirena keeps the air very clean and fresh with its unique air washing capabilities. When you turn Sirena on, dirt and dust are drawn into the bath of water and they're trapped. Fresh, clean air is vented out the machines all through your home. You can use the low speed setting if you want to continuously wash the air gently all day long, but if you want to get the air clean very quickly, you can use the high speed setting. When you're ready to aromatize the air with your Sirena, you have a couple really nice options. The first thing you have is the Ocean Breeze Deodorizer. This is excellent when you want to get rid of odors that may come from fish, from smoke, or perhaps odors from the pets that we love. And then we have the Sirena Aroma Oils. Excellent. We have tropical, we have pine, and an assortment of other fragrances. And then this is one of my favorites. This is menthol eucalyptus. And if you have a cold, if you're congested, you can add a few drops of the menthol into the water of the Sirena, and it will vaporize the air inside your room. Let me show you how to use a few of these options. All you have to do when you're ready to aromatize is just add a few drops directly into the water basin. Turn the Sirena on. Now here's the great thing about the Sirena. The entire time that you're cleaning, Sirena is circulating fresh air through your entire home.
Let me show you how to get rid of the dust and dirt from any surface in your home once and for all. This is our premium power nozzle. It has this nice ergonomic handle, a wonderful trigger feature. Simply release the trigger and it stops for you automatically. The handle will easily turn side to side 180 degrees for ease of use. We have our stainless steel wand with the height adjustment so you can set it to your own comfort level. On the power nozzle, we have a height adjuster so it'll adjust for any size carpet in your home. And you can easily access our motorized brush underneath as well as the spare belt that we house right on board. Holding it all together is our premium 6-foot hose. Feel the quality of that hose. Alright, before we show you all the other attachments, let me explain to you why our tools work so well. Most systems are designed with tools like this. They're flat, and they're great for suction, but horrible for airflow. All of our tools are designed with airflow in mind because airflow is what you need to clean. Alright, this is our premium wet and dry hose. Now when we attach this to the Sirena, we can now use all the other tools that we just talked about. Simply attach our curved wand onto the end and all the tools will quickly and conveniently slide right onto the hose. This is our upholstery tool with the nice soft bristles. Fantastic for upholstery or even curtains if you would like. We also have our crack and crevice tool. This is great for getting in between spots where there's cushions or down into hard to reach places like under the fridge. Now this is our floor tool. Again, it's cut with airflow in mind. This tool is fantastic for hardwood floors, ceramic, or any hard surface. You can even do your walls and ceilings with it. And both of the adjustable wands can be put together to extend your reach over 12 feet. It's simply amazing and you will love it. Another wonderful feature of the Sirena is all of the tools will fit right on board. You don't need extra storage space whatsoever. The Sirena will also function as a wet pickup vac. Watch how quickly this works. Now, of course, we have to dry our hose. Simply remove the hose from the front. On the back, remove our HEPA filter cover, and this exposes our washable HEPA filter. Plug the hose into the back. Simply take the front, stick it into the intake, turn the machine on, and this will dry the hose for you. The Sirena also will act as an inflation tool for you. It'll blow up things like air mattresses or even air balloons if you're having a party and you need to blow up some balloons. It's this easy.
Let me tell you why you will love Sirena. Sirena uses water to trap the dirt. There are no bags. Water doesn't have holes to clog like bags do. Therefore, Sirena gives you 100% suction, 100% airflow, and 100% cleaning efficiency all the time. When you're done using Sirena, all you got to do is just pour the dirty water away. It's the healthiest way to clean your home. Water-based systems are also highly recommended for people who have allergies, respiratory problems, and also families with pets. Sirena, therefore, is the best and most economical water-based system on the market today. Invest in Sirena, harness the power of nature.